Okay, so I put the face frame on this wall cabinet yesterday, and then today I filled in the little holes you can see where I did with the wood filler, and I realized that I forgot to do the holes in the side to do different levels of shelves, so I'm gonna do that now. And I'm gonna show you, this wood needs to be sanded down. I'm gonna show you my super awesome professional way of doing this. First, we grab out the handy kit here. This thing is awesome. I think this was like $9 at Home Depot. And I'm gonna do this one right here. And those are super sharp, so be careful. I'm gonna grab them out. This is the one that I'm gonna use to drill the holes. Okay, sounds good, babe. Okay, I'm gonna start out by taking this off. So I twist to open it up and take it out. My screwdriver has a magnet part right there, so I'm just gonna put that there. This one goes back in my little box here. And then I'm gonna put this one on. So put it in and then tighten it so it's got like a really good grip. Put this away and back over to my cabinet. Okay, so I've got all my tools ready and I flip my cabinet on its side. This is the side that's going against the wall. That's why it looks not as great as the other side did. So, no one's ever gonna see it, but this is what I did is I used my block sander and I did that to give myself the spacing that I want away from the edge. This is the bottom on this side, so I'm gonna start on this side. My first one was like at 9.5 inches on the other one, and then I just went up from there. And that's it. I got all my marks now. I'll line it up. And then I'll go down and do all of them.